Hello again, everybody. Welcome to an eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Upper Deck the Cup box break number 30. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. From the box is NE189450689. That's NE189450689. So let's get on with the break. Best of luck, everybody. Here we go. Start off with the base card for the Flames of Jarome Iginla. 44/249, Jarome Iginla. Then we have our patch auto rookie card for the Flyers of Erik Gustafsson, 10/249. And we have a signature patches card, nice looking patch for the Predators of Shea Weber, 3/75, Shea Weber. And we have a nice hit for Pittsburgh. It's a Cup Foundations quad jersey and autograph card of Mario Lemieux. 12/15. Nice hit for the Penguins. And then we have a rookie card short print, 18/25 for the Devils of Adam Larsson. And then to finish it off, we have a base card of Sidney Crosby at 53/249 for the Penguins. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching, and hope to see you again next time.